What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. It's been a while. I'll try to do Matic more regularly. People have been requesting it. Just been a little bit busy with trading. So we're sitting at $1.10. We're up 2.15 on the day. Seeing market cap of 10.87 billion. 24-hour volume 696 million. Here's our last week results from our free trade signals. 10 wins, 1 loss. Pause the screen. Total profit 403%. Right now we're in a trade for XRP. We're in a trade for Curve. Our trade for Curve is absolutely crushing it. Look at our members with their high leverage. They're also absolutely crushing it. There's the Curve trade. That's an XRP trade. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. Let's hop into Matic. So we're slowing down. I think there's a decent chance we're looking at ending diagonal. As you can see, Bitcoin is pushing up and Matic's not really moving. Of course, if we just continue to break to the upside, anything is possible. But if we do reject, because we've done everything we needed to complete this wave one to the upside, then I can give you a target zone for the pullback, which will offer one last investing opportunity before Bitcoin breaks the all-time high. Could do that before the halving, which would be absolutely historical. And yeah, so the pullback zone, if we get rejected here, would be in between 90 cents and 78 cents. That would be your absolute last chance to get into Matic under $1 before blast off. In my opinion, nothing's promised. We may not even come down there if we were to explode to the upside. But right now the chart is slowing down, so if we pull back, that's your target zone to look for. As we can see on the daily chart, we're pushing into massive resistance in between $1.07 and $1.09. So it would make sense to pull back if we just continue blasting to the upside. Next resistance zone 116 to about 118, 119. That will be your next major resistance to watch. We're starting to print a little bit of a bearish D on the daily chart. As you can see, we're losing strength, money flowing out on the money flow down here. So if we do pull back, that's the target. Of course, anything can happen, guys. I do think the higher probability is we soon pull back. The market is very overextended. But in the meantime, if we were to push higher, your next resistance 117 to 119, but we are starting to print those bearish Ds. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex or MEXC. These are the two exchanges I'm affiliated with. No KYC, no VPN all around the world for Bitfinex, 10% off your trading fees, which means you get 10% back. Grab those bonuses. No KYC, no VPN, including for my US and Canadian traders. We have MEXC, which has more trading pairs. That's why I use it. But if you're in the North America, you will need a VPN. All you have to do is sign up to one of these two exchanges through my links in the comment section. Make your first deposit. Can be $10, can be $100. I don't care. And then email me after you made that deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. No one is offering you this, guys. We had 10 winning trades and 1 loss last week. As you can see right here, check out Forex, guys. We're trading Forex right now. We're in multiple trades. We had 15 winning trades, 8 losses, 921 pips in commodities, 294 pips in Forex, guys. Can you believe it? Every day I'm pumping out signals completely for free. I don't need your money. I just want to help you reach financial freedom, but I do make a commission when you sign up to Bitfinex or MEXC. So make sure to sign up down to those links down below. If you don't want to sign up to those exchanges and you want access, there is a Patreon link in the description. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.